Hey everyone, do you know why we build sentences the way we do in English? Well, stick around and you'll find out. Keep learning British English with me, Frank. In this video we're going to look at basic sentence structure, how we form a simple sentence. That's the easiest, obviously, because you just have the basic pieces of the jigsaw. So we have a subject, a verb, and an object. Three things. Remember? A subject, a verb, and an object. So a subject is the person, the principal person in the sentence. So for example, Jim went to the shop. So who is the subject? Well, in this case it's Jim, isn't it? Jim went to the shop. What's the verb in the sentence? Jim went to go. But in the past tense, Jim went. What is the object in the sentence? The shop. So subject, Jim, verb, went to, and the object, the shop. That's a simple sentence in British English. So some more examples of simple sentences are the following. Brian likes chocolate. Kate wasted lots of time. He writes stories for the newspaper. The last one, we are best friends for life. These are some examples of simple sentence structure. So it's a subject, the verb, and the object. Sometimes it includes a prepositional phrase, such as for the newspaper. We are best friends for life. The for is the prepositional phrase, the for life, or for the newspaper. It's a simple sentence in British English. And if you want to know more about the parts of speech, watch this video here. So keep learning British English with me, Frank. See you next time.